Pag yung tao, yung tao ay mahina ang puso, mamamatay.
Different colors, different names, all of them deadly. Drug enforcement agents confiscate 840 pieces of these party drugs worth 1.5 million pesos in a buy-bust operation in a condominium in Mandaluyong City Thursday night. 2 pushers are arrested. PIDEA says these pills are sold in high-end bars in Taguig, Makati, and Quezon City. The two could be connected with the same party drug suppliers as those in the Forever Summer concert last May. 5 people died from drug overdose in that tragic incident.
Kasi pag sa party drugs or ecstasy, halos magkakasabay magkakilala
33-year-old Ronald Fonda and 28-year-old Martin Lee are denying the allegations.
Doon po sa mismong unit, binababa ko lang po yun or umakyat sila. Ganun lang po, taga-bukas lang po ako ng pinto, taga-linis po ako ng bahay na yun.
Third floor ang unit ko, doon ako biglang pinasok while I'm doing household chores and while I'm having dinner. Tapos bilang na lang sa taas, doon na kami ikinulong.
But PIDEA officials are sure about their evidence. They have been tracking Fonda and Lee for a month.
Wala namang pusher na aamin kung anong ginagawa
PIDEA says party drug makers and pushers are now more careful after the Forever Summer incident. Syndicates are now ordering drugs online from the Netherlands using an e-currency called Bitcoin. The drug items are declared as vitamins and shipped to the Philippines via mail and parcel.
It's very hard for the authorities to really check each and every parcels.
PIDEA will file a case against Fonda and Lee for violating the Anti-Illegal Drugs Act. If convicted, they could be jailed for life. Rex Remitio, CNN, Philippines.